Hello guys, in this video you will see how to interface the soil moisture sensor with the Arduino. Without wasting the time, let's get started. The components required are soil moisture sensor, few jumper wires, and a Arduino Uno board. I received this soil moisture sensor from IC station. Check description for more information. If you see this soil moisture sensor, you can find here 3 pins. And S means the signal which we get from the sensor, and plus is the positive power supply, and negative is the ground. When the sensor senses the moisture, it gives an analog output through the pin S, which will be read into the Arduino by the pin analog A0 or any analog pin as per your requirement. Now let's connect the circuit. The negative pin goes to ground, the positive pin goes to 5 volts, and the signal pin goes to A0. This is how the circuit looks like after connecting the all wires. Now we'll connect this board to the PC and upload the code to the Arduino. Tools. Port is already selected, so the code is uploaded. Now we'll go to the tools and we'll open the serial monitor to see the values which we are getting from the sensor. Set the baud rate to 9600. Now you can see here we are getting the 0 as the value. Now we will insert the sensor into the moistured soil, and here you can see the moisture level is increasing. Now it is showing the 572. Now we'll increase the moisture content by adding some water to the soil. You can see it was hiked to the 600 plus. That's all in this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.